Every year, millions of tons of electronic waste arrive at recycling facilities like this. Hidden inside these discarded devices lies one of the world's most valuable precious metals, gold. Every shipment is carefully logged before entering the recovery process. The journey begins long before any precious metal can be extracted. Not every electronic device contains the same amount of precious metal. Sorting improves recovery efficiency before processing even begins. Only tiny amounts of gold are used in each device. But its excellent electrical conductivity makes it essential for reliable electronic connections. Although each connector contains only a thin layer of gold, billions of electronic components together create an important secondary source of precious metals. Digital tracking systems monitor every batch throughout the recovery process, ensuring traceability from arrival to final refining. Components that contain hazardous materials or reusable parts are separated first, improving both safety and recycling efficiency. Advanced machine vision recognizes thousands of electronic components every hour, directing each material toward the most suitable recovery method. After careful sorting, the valuable circuit boards begin their transformation through a series of industrial recovery processes. In the next stage, powerful industrial shredders will reduce entire circuit boards into fragments, preparing them for the complex process of precious metal separation. The first reduction stage breaks complex electronic assemblies into manageable pieces, exposing the metals hidden inside every circuit board. After shredding, the material becomes a mixed stream of plastics, glass fibers, and valuable metals ready for precise separation. Magnetic separation efficiently removes iron and steel, allowing the remaining materials to move toward more specialized recovery systems. Non-ferrous metals such as aluminum are separated using powerful electromagnetic fields without direct physical contact. Air separation removes lightweight materials, concentrating the heavier particles that contain the highest percentage of recoverable metals. Density separation further enriches the material before chemical recovery begins, increasing the efficiency of precious metal extraction. The concentrated material now contains a much higher percentage of valuable metals and is ready for chemical refinement. Computer-controlled systems carefully regulate every stage of the refining process to maintain consistent operating conditions. During this carefully controlled stage, the valuable metals move into solution, allowing them to be separated from remaining impurities through subsequent refining steps. Continuous monitoring ensures the process remains stable before the dissolved precious metals are recovered and transformed into pure gold. The dissolved gold is carefully recovered through a controlled precipitation process, allowing microscopic particles of pure metal to separate from the solution. Over time, the suspended particles settle naturally, forming a concentrated layer that will continue to the next stage of purification. Vacuum filtration separates the recovered gold from the remaining liquid, producing a dense concentrate ready for further refinement. Even after recovery, the precious metal remains in powdered form and must undergo additional purification before becoming solid gold. Before melting, the recovered material must be completely dried to remove any remaining moisture. Controlled drying prepares the concentrate for high-temperature refining while preserving the purity achieved during chemical recovery, although it now appears as a fine powder. This recovered material contains nearly all of the precious metal extracted from the electronic waste. Every batch is measured and documented before entering the final refining stage, ensuring complete traceability throughout production. The final transformation begins inside an induction furnace, where extreme temperatures prepare the recovered gold for melting. Within moments, the recovered gold powder will melt into a single glowing mass, marking the beginning of its final journey toward becoming pure bullion. As the temperature rises beyond gold's melting point, the recovered powder transforms into a brilliant liquid ready for its final purification. Remaining impurities naturally separate at the surface, allowing technicians to improve the metal's final purity before casting. Carefully removing the remaining residue helps produce exceptionally pure gold suitable for investment-grade refining. Every parameter is continuously monitored to ensure stable conditions before the molten gold is transferred into casting molds. With the refining process complete, the molten gold is carefully positioned for one of the most critical stages, casting. The liquid metal is poured into specially designed molds that give each bar its precise dimensions and smooth, Surface as the molds fill completely. The molten gold settles into its final shape before cooling begins, although their shape is complete. The newly formed bars remain extremely hot and require controlled cooling to preserve their quality. Controlled cooling reduces internal stress, helping each bar maintain its structural integrity and consistent appearance. Now fully solidified, the bars leave the casting area and begin the finishing process that will reveal their brilliant metallic luster. Although fully refined, the newly cast bars still require precision finishing before reaching their final appearance. Precision grinding creates perfectly flat surfaces while removing the smallest imperfections left by the casting process. Multiple polishing stages gradually reveal the natural brilliance of refined gold, producing a smooth mirror-like finish. Automation ensures every surface receives consistent finishing, maintaining uniform quality across every production batch. Intense inspection lighting allows even the smallest surface imperfections to be identified before certification. Precision laser measurements confirm that every bar meets strict dimensional specifications before moving forward. Accurate weight verification ensures every finished bar meets internationally recognized production standards. X-ray fluorescence technology verifies the elemental composition without damaging the finished product. Only bars that successfully meet the required purity specifications continue to the final certification stage, with its surface perfected and purity confirmed. The gold bar is now ready to receive its permanent identity and official certification. Each refined bar receives a unique identity that allows it to be traced throughout its entire life cycle. Permanent laser engraving creates highly precise markings that remain clear throughout decades of handling. Detailed identification marks confirm the origin, purity, and production record of every finished gold bar. Automated vision systems confirm every engraved detail meets strict manufacturing specifications before approval. The refinery hallmark represents the final stage of physical certification, confirming the bar has completed the production process. After certification, every completed bar undergoes one final visual inspection before secure packaging. Protective encapsulation helps preserve the pristine finish while providing visible evidence of any unauthorized opening. Digital documentation links every physical bar with its production history, inspection records, and quality verification data. Protective transport cases secure every finished bar before it enters controlled storage and distribution. Before leaving the refinery, every certified gold bar is stored under carefully controlled conditions, awaiting secure transportation to its final destination. Automated storage systems securely organize every certified shipment, ensuring rapid retrieval while maintaining complete inventory accuracy. Every shipment is electronically verified at multiple checkpoints before leaving the secure storage area. Strict security procedures protect every shipment throughout the final stages of handling and distribution. Each shipment is carefully moved through the distribution center before entering specialized transportation. Specialized transport vehicles are designed to protect valuable cargo throughout every stage of its journey. Once sealed, the shipment remains protected until it reaches its authorized destination. After weeks of recovery and refining, the finished gold begins the final stage of its journey beyond the refinery, from recycling facility to refinery. Every stage has prepared these bars for secure delivery to global markets. Some shipments continue by air, allowing refined gold to reach financial institutions and industrial customers around the world. From discarded electronics to investment-grade bullion, the remarkable transformation is complete, but its global journey has only just begun. After leaving the refinery, certified gold travels through carefully managed international logistics networks designed for high-value cargo. Specialized packaging protects every shipment from movement, environmental changes, and physical damage during transport. Upon arrival, secure handling procedures continue uninterrupted until the shipment reaches its authorized destination. Many refined gold bars are stored in secure bullion vaults where they remain protected under carefully controlled conditions. Precise environmental control helps preserve the condition of investment-grade bullion for decades. Not every refined gold bar becomes an investment product. Many return to advanced manufacturing where their unique properties remain essential. Gold continues to play a vital role in modern electronics because of its exceptional conductivity and long-term resistance to corrosion. Even microscopic quantities of gold help create reliable electrical connections inside advanced electronic devices. Recovered gold returns to the technologies that power modern lives, completing a remarkable cycle of recovery and reuse. What once seemed like worthless electronic waste has become a valuable resource, proving that innovation can recover hidden value from the technology we leave behind. Every new shipment begins another recovery cycle, transforming discarded technology into valuable raw materials once again. Hidden within every circuit board is a material valuable enough to begin an entirely new life. Gold's unique resistance to corrosion continues to make it one of the most dependable materials used in advanced electronic systems. Recovery never stops. Every day, advanced recycling facilities continue transforming electronic waste into valuable resources. Automation allows modern recycling plants to process enormous quantities of electronic waste with remarkable consistency and precision, from sorting and recovery to refining and certification. Every stage contributes to the remarkable transformation of discarded electronics. The finished product represents thousands of carefully controlled industrial operations working together with extraordinary precision. Every completed bar is the result of advanced engineering, precise quality control, and responsible material recovery. Every transformation reveals how advanced technology can recover lasting value from materials that would otherwise be discarded. The journey from obsolete electronics to refined gold demonstrates how innovation continues to unlock hidden value through modern industrial recycling. Every recovered gram has completed an extraordinary industrial journey, transformed into investment-grade precious metal. Precision finishing leaves behind a surface measured not only by appearance, but by exact manufacturing standards. Materials once hidden inside everyday electronics continue their journey in an entirely different form. Refining transforms recovered material into one of the world's purest and most valuable metals. Each completed bar represents countless hours of engineering, precision manufacturing, and responsible resource recovery. Every stage builds upon the last, proving that precision and innovation can recover remarkable value from discarded technology. Behind every finished bar stands an entire industrial ecosystem working together with extraordinary precision. The same precious metal once hidden inside tiny electronic components now exists as a fully refined resource. From forgotten devices to certified bullion, every step reflects the remarkable possibilities of modern industrial recycling. The journey may be complete, but the cycle of recovery continues, turning yesterday's technology into tomorrow's valuable resources. Hidden inside discarded electronics, precious gold begins a remarkable second life through modern engineering. Every detail reflects countless hours of precision, inspection, and careful refinement. Advanced recycling allows valuable materials to return to the global economy instead of remaining hidden inside electronic waste. Every finished bar represents a successful balance between advanced manufacturing and responsible resource recovery. Objects once considered obsolete continue contributing to future technologies through modern recycling. Each carefully controlled stage contributes to the remarkable journey from discarded electronics to refined precious metal. The same precious metal that once powered electronic circuits now exists as one of the world's most valuable refined resources. Precision engineering reveals that extraordinary value can often be found in the most unexpected places. What once appeared to be electronic waste has become a lasting symbol of innovation, recovery, and precision. Behind every bar lies an invisible story of technology, engineering, and the remarkable ability to transform waste into lasting value. From forgotten electronics to investment-grade bullion, every stage has revealed the remarkable precision behind modern precious metal recovery. The journey proves that valuable resources often remain hidden inside the technology we use every day. Advanced engineering, careful refinement, and rigorous quality control transform electronic waste into lasting value. Hidden beneath every circuit lies a story of innovation, recovery, and remarkable industrial craftsmanship. From electronic waste to pure gold, every transformation begins with the decision to recover what others leave behind. Thank you for watching. Discover more extraordinary industrial journeys with FLUXIFY X, where innovation, engineering, and manufacturing come to life.